other club prices.
Yeah, because they don't even have it online anymore. You guys clearance it? I mean, are they going to be gone? Or?
Yeah, I think these are the last ones. Yeah, because it's already a cancel item.
Oh, it's a canceled item?
Yeah.
You know, I didn't even notice it, but this thing's frozen. Let's see if I can turn it off. Hasn't even been on the sales floor for a good 2 weeks. See if it works now. Hey, what is going on, everyone? This is kiodiekin. So we have some updated news regarding the ARCADE1UP NFL Blitz. And for those of you who have been around in the community, you guys know these came out just about 2 or 3 months ago, and already prices are dropping. So the original price at Sam's Club was $6.29, and I was in the store yesterday. Bobby View, the lowball king, he got his for about $160, and so I decided to try my hand at lowballing the manager in one of the locations near to me. They had the display unit for about $370, and they were only willing to go as low as $70, even in regards to me having all the photos that everybody else is getting them for. But the manager told me that kind of caught me by surprise, was that they are canceled. These are canceled items, and that they will no longer be carrying NFL Blitz. Now, I'm not sure if that's going to reference Costco too, but in particularly the Sam's Club. This is why you don't see them on the website anymore. All the Sam's Clubs are allowed to set their own prices for NFL Blitz, and they haven't been moving. In fact, in my local store, there was only 2 or 3, and that was including the demo unit. And so you've seen prices right now, $171. Some of the prices on average right now, some of you guys are seeing anywhere between $250 to possibly $214. One guy reported $211. And then, of course, Bobby, I think another guy saw his for $214. And when he signed up for membership, he got it for $192. But this is a debacle. This is not good on any fronts to have a premier title like this be dropped down so suddenly. And in fact, if you guys who know who Kev Grid is, he did a video on ARCADE1UP. I think their official launch date that they so claim was originally like November 11th or like November 5th, something like that. And we know that these could have been pre-ordered at the end of August, and then they were in stores even during September, something that company claimed that they didn't even know about. But no ARCADE1UP has ever been priced as high and dropped as fast as this has, because it's not doing so well. You guys have seen all the negative feedback. You've seen all the reviews. I have some here on the channel. And so online hasn't been ready. And then I think even, 2 days ago, they finally decided to turn on online or got it working. As far as we know, we don't know if it's working 100%, amongst all 3 games, but they did add the other 2 games with online functionality. And yeah, 100 going all the way down to $171 from $629. And I was really concerned about this because I know a lot of people said, well, for $629, you're getting a cab, you're getting these joysticks, you're getting the chair for $100. But the biggest issue was that, and I've said it before, and some people didn't have a problem with it, is what if you bought it for $629 and then they just drop it so suddenly around Black Friday and closer to Christmas, and then they activate online? So imagine the situation currently is people bought this day one for $629 with no online features working. And then even when they did get it working, it was running like crap. Paid full price, and now somebody could come in, get this unit for $214, $192, $170 or whatever, and get everything working. That's a huge shot. And, I've seen some posts about this, and this is a black eye for the retro gaming community. This is not a win-win situation on any front, whether it was working, whether it's not working, because this is a representation of our hobby. This is a representation of the community. This is a representation for everything that we like. And it makes it much harder for other competitors or other people trying to come in with their product if Sam's Club and merchants like this see that retro games aren't selling. This isn't something to be excited about to say, yeah, we got NFL Blitz working the next 4 months down the line. And it should have been working day one. And it's definitely really nothing to get excited about to say, oh, well, look, the prices are dropping, because it looks bad on that end, too. But, yeah, I was at the store and decided to see what the price would be. The manager there wasn't budging. And I forgot to mention the fact that the unit that I was looking at was broken or wasn't powering off. I probably would have had to unplug it because the loading screen was just, stuck. But these are canceled items. This is why you guys won't see them on the Sam's Club website. I'm really interested to see if some of the other sellers, retailers will follow suit, fairly shortly. I don't know if Costco will follow the same model. But I think there's also a sale too on the ad games. I don't pay too much attention to their prices or whatnot. But as far as the cab itself, if you guys want to get it, put a PC on it, as far as the artwork and stuff like that. I know some of you were looking for this to drop down to about $100, but that may be a good deal, depending upon what your situation is, but again, one of the things I also look at is, this is why ARCADE1UP prefers to sell directly now. I know originally when the Wave 1 and Wave 2 cabinets were dropping down to $75 and $50, the company didn't like that. And so this really shows us what the true cost of the unit is. And, we were skeptical to say, hey, is this thing really worth $600? Obviously not. And then, of course, they got KI Pro out for $1,000. But now you see the true price of what the $620 or $500 cabinets are when they're dropped down. You could get them for the Gen 1 prices, which were anywhere but underneath $300. And so that's going to change a lot of people's minds. I know that there are other, many of you in the community that have expressed your disgust for this situation, to know that you pre-ordered or bought early and then just see it drop like this. And now it's also making it harder for resellers, for some of you to resell some of your cabinets for like $200. But now you got something with a lit marquee and 4-player joysticks and, a game with NFL Blitz for the low cost of $160, and in some cases, some of you are now reporting $130. And so it's not good, at all. But we kept seeing all the excuses from ARCADE1UP saying that they couldn't offer better equipment or offer a better cabinet for the premium cost of Gen 1, which is $300. So, and now you're seeing it. You're seeing the true cost of what NFL Blitz, and then presumably Marvel vs. Capcom 2, which, we don't know what's going on with that, obviously, but we know they're dealing with an emulator that has never been tested. But at any rate, it's my understanding if you are reaching out to tech support or chat through Sam's Club website, some of them are willing and dealing and giving you guys this price for maybe $130, maybe $160. We've seen them, somewhere around there. But they are out there in the wild. You guys will have to get out there, do your homework, and search, find the best price. But my Sam's Club only wanted to knock $70 off. I probably could have haggled them down a little bit more if I, showed them it was actually broken. It wasn't doing anything, because they don't care. Back in the day, most stores wouldn't even sell their demo unit until they just got rid of them. And they are desperate because these things are not selling. This is not a good sign for NFL Blitz. There's been a lot of hype, for this unit. There's been a lot of false advertising saying, hey, online works, and it wasn't ready at launch. But, lo and behold, they finally got it working, but we haven't seen enough, video walkthroughs with the online to show different scenarios as far as internet speed, upload speed, and things like that to get a really good consensus of opinion based on experience. But there are discontinued or canceled at, Sam's Club. Now, this is also a double clearance because there are photos online, and I've had them here on the video, where you would see $270 clearance, and then you have another price of $214 clearance. Again, I've worked retail years ago. I've never seen anything on double clearance. I would probably see a sale and then like a red label and then maybe a yellow clearance saying that there is not coming back. But on an item that's barely 2 months old, on a premium title, no, this is a black eye for the retro gaming community. And again, it's nothing to be proud of, nothing to get excited about on all fronts. Again, I've seen people say, "Yay, it's working," but no. It was supposed to work day freaking one. Day one was the day that it was supposed, to work. And, even in the case of Marvel vs. Capcom 2, I've made a video saying that they wouldn't get online ready for another 6 to 8 months. At what time? I think that was September, 6 to 8 months. That's still holding true. And, even if they decide to turn it on tomorrow, after I release this video, it's still not a good thing because it still should have been released day one with the expectation for people that they were pre-ordering something that's been fully tested and fully working. But this is the track record now that you guys are seeing right now with ARCADE1UP. They've been quiet, and what's even more embarrassing, is that we've seen people mention that online was working, but they have not made one official announcement on any of their mediums or any of their posts, not on Facebook, not on Instagram, not on TikTok, YouTube. You have not even seen them acknowledge the fact that online was working. We saw a screenshot, somebody posted it and said that there was an update, and voila, and that was it. But there was nothing officially done. There was no commercials, no advertisements, no updates officially from the company saying anything about it. And so I think that's why Walmart, Sam's Club just decided to go ahead and pull the plug. Again, this unit is canceled. They aren't getting any more back. So you guys better get what you can. So unless something drastically changes, I mean, if they do it, maybe direct to order, but I mean, there's other places doing direct to order, but no, for a 2-month product, 2 months, maybe 3, to go on double clearance like that, and they're getting rid of it as low as they possibly can. Not a good sign. And this is definitely, the curtain before the call. I see right now there's issues even with KI Pro. Some of you guys are reporting issues with that, but it's not good. And it's right here at Christmas time. You guys should be using, opening your Christmas gifts, not opening trouble tickets. So that being said, this is KDK. I will catch you guys later. Like and subscribe. Peace out. Bye-bye. All right, so I guess apparently this was defective, but you could probably find one of these in your local area on sale for about $211, $214, depending upon where you are. This store has them for $370. I went to another store. I think they were selling them for like $399. And that's at Sam's Club. I think Costco prices are a little higher, so they're trying to hold two. But yeah, this isn't working. And none of these are updated, by the way. In fact, I know the one at Best Buy, they haven't updated theirs. They have one in the game room I was able to check out. So, anyway, Merry Christmas, guys. Just thought I'd give you guys a quick update. Peace. Hey, excuse me. Is there a manager I can talk to?
Yeah, I'm okay. Ready?
The ARCADE1UP NFL Blitz.
Okay. I saw your ARCADE1UP NFL Blitz that's on sale. I was wondering if anything you could do on the demo unit. I know they're going for $214, but the price is different places at other Sam stuff a little bit less.
Yeah, a little bit less than other stuff.
Yeah.
Like, we don't honor other clubs.
Yeah, but I was just wondering if I get the demo unit, like what can you guys do for me?
Unless it's deleted item, I can.
If it was what?
Deleted item. Anything that is a deleted item, I can sell it for cheap.
Yeah, because I think you guys have it. Well, I've seen like other places that you guys may have it for like $214, and some other people are getting it for like $192 and like $174. I got photos of it.
Yeah, not here. Not that I give. I'm the floor supervisor.
Right,
Everything has to go through me.
Right, but that's why I'm asking. Like, what can you guys do for your demo unit? Because I see the big clearance out.
If it's a cancel, if I scan it, it says cancel item in my gun. I can give it to you for less.
Okay.
But if it doesn't say that, I have to keep it at the price.
Okay, so how you scan it?
Absolutely.
All right.